It's a rainy Saturday morning. Guess I'm gonna have to leave this one inside today. Today I'm gonna figure out my solution to the drive shaft there. So figure that one out. Fix that. My goal is to set the cab on it. Put the exhaust on and set the cab. But observing here this morning, looks like I got troubles going on under the Firebird. I just put a water pump on that thing a while ago. So we got problems there. Alright, here's what I decided to do. Cut that piece out of the cross member. Kind of a shame because that wasn't a bad job. And I'm going to weld this strip of 1 inch wide in there and then put this back inside it, which will make my little tunnel a little bit wider, give room for the drive shaft. Well, I got that drive shaft loop fixed. Looks pretty good. Got the exhaust on it, and I think I'm ready to set the cab down on there. I'm gonna have to pull the old Firebird out in the rain. I guess it won't melt. The Firebird's bleeding a little antifreeze and a little power steering fluid. That's another project. What you doing, girl?
Making you a sling.
Out of what?
Some kind of rope.
What's that?
A thing I had to make so I could do it.
What part of the sling is that?
The pocket part.
Mm.
It'll get there.
All hands on deck. And the cab's back on it. What do you say, boy?
I say that was hard for the girls.
Alright, the cab's back on it. That's a milestone. Now I need to clean up my floor. It's an awful mess. Get this place cleaned up a little bit. Put that intake on there and valve covers and get a carburetor on it. Maybe I'll fire this thing up tomorrow or something just to hear it run. Get the juices flowing again. Boy, she's low, ain't she? Push it up there so I can clean up the mess that's been accumulating under it. Pretty messy, huh? Well, it was a pretty decent day. Got the cab back on it. Exhaust bolted up. Had to modify that slightly. Had to fix that cross member I errored on. I'm not going to say I was wrong. And got the intake manifold off. Give it some time tomorrow. I'll put that back on. Maybe fire this thing up one time. It's coming along.